Trying to lose fat and build muscle at the same time sounds simple, but actually pulling it off takes a more calculated approach. So instead of the usual bulk and cut cycle, which can feel like a roller coaster, body recomposition takes a different route, gradually trading fat for lean muscle without the big weight swings. Now, to do that, your workouts matter, but your nutrition matters even more. You've got to hit the right calories, keep your protein high, and stay consistent. And that's where meal delivery can really help. When meals are prepped and ready to go, it's a lot easier to stick with the plan. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how recomposition works nutritionally and compare 3 meal services, Factor, Fuel Meals, and BistroMD to help you find the best fit. So let's jump in. So with body recomposition, the goal isn't to bulk up fast or drop weight in a hurry. It's about helping your body shift in the right direction, building lean muscle while slowly trimming down fat at the same time. And to make that happen, you need to keep your calorie intake right around your maintenance level or just slightly below it, just enough to start burning fat, but not so much that it compromises your energy or your recovery. And that balance starts with your TDEE, or your Total Daily Energy Expenditure. And that basically is the number of calories your body burns in a day, including everything from workouts to walking around or even just sitting at your desk. And you figure it out by calculating your basal metabolic rate, which is what your body needs at rest, and then multiplying that by how active you are during the week. Now, once you've got that number, aiming for a small deficit, maybe 100 to 200 calories under, is usually the sweet spot. It's not dramatic, but that's the point. It gives you the best chance to lose fat while still having enough fuel to train, recover, and build muscle steadily. And from here, once your calories are dialed in, the next piece is making sure your macros are supporting those goals as well. And let's break that down. So once your calories are in a good place, the next thing to focus on is where those calories are coming from, your macronutrients. And that's your daily mix of proteins, carbs, and fat. And for recomposition, protein, well, it's the MVP. And when you are eating in a slight deficit, your body still needs energy. And if you're not giving it enough protein, it's going to start breaking down muscle tissue to get what it needs. So to prevent that, most people aiming for body recomposition should shoot for about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. And that gives your body enough to support recovery and muscle growth, even while trimming fat. Carbs and fats play key roles here too. Carbs are your go-to fuel, obviously, for training, especially if you're lifting or doing any high-intensity work. They also help protect your protein intake. So instead of burning protein for energy, your body can actually use it to rebuild muscle. And then fats are essential for hormone health, including things like testosterone and metabolism, which both impact how efficiently your body can burn fat and build muscle. And a good place to start for recomposition is something like 40% protein, 30% carbs, and 30% fat. But that ratio, it's not set in stone. You can always change it up depending on how active you are or how your body responds to it. And from here, there's one more piece that can really tip the scale in your favor: how your body handles nutrients, especially carbs. Now, one thing that doesn't get talked about enough but makes a big difference is insulin sensitivity. It's basically coming down to how well your body uses the carbs that you eat. If your sensitivity is high, your body will push those carbs into your muscles where they can get stored as glycogen and help power your workouts. But if your sensitivity is low, more of those carbs could end up stored as fat, even if your calories are not that high. And that's why it's not just about hitting your macros, but also choosing the right types of foods. Things like sweet potatoes, oats, quinoa, and leafy greens break down more slowly, which helps keep your blood sugar stable and gives your body just a better shot at actually using those nutrients for recovery and growth, not fat storage. So the more you can support your body's ability to handle carbs, the easier it gets to build muscle and burn fat at the same time. And that's exactly what the right meal service can help with. It gives you clean, balanced meals that can hit your macros and support the kind of metabolic environment that makes recomposition actually work. So let's take a closer look at those meal services. So we're going to start with Factor. This is probably the most polished option on the list when it comes to convenience and overall meal quality. Everything's fresh, not frozen, and most meals are ready in just a few minutes, which does make it a great fit if you do have a full schedule, but still want to stay dialed in with your nutrition. And What makes Factor especially useful for body recomposition is how easy they make it to keep your protein high. So their Protein Plus plan stands out. It's built for people who want to maintain or build muscle, and most meals in this category pack over 40 grams of protein, which is a huge plus if you are eating in a small deficit. There's also a calorie smart option that keeps meals around 550 calories, which can help keep your intake controlled without feeling like you're dieting. And the best part is you're not locked into one category. You can mix and match between plans like Protein Plus, Keto, Vegan, or even a newer one designed to support GLP-1 users. So if your goals shift or your training ramps up, you do have the flexibility to adjust it without changing services. Now, another nice feature is the add-on marketplace. You can easily tack on extras like grilled chicken, salmon, or even ready-to-drink protein smoothies, and that makes it very simple to hit your macro goals without needing to cook or prep anything extra. Pricing for Factor starts at around $15 per meal and gets cheaper the more you order each week. So if you are covering most of your meals through them, the per meal cost can drop to just over $12.50. Not bad for fresh high protein meals with no prep work. Now, if Factor's strength is convenience and flexibility, fuel meals take a more focused, performance-driven approach. So if you're someone who trains hard and needs meals that can actually keep up, Fuel Meals is probably the most targeted option out there. This is one of the few services that really leans into a performance-first bodybuilding style approach, bigger portions, more protein, and super clean ingredients built for recovery and growth. Most meals come packed with 40 to 60 grams of protein, which makes it an ideal fit if you're in a muscle building phase, training multiple times a week, or you just have a higher caloric need overall. It's not just about hitting numbers either. The meals are designed to give your body the fuel it needs to actually perform and recover. Now, they've also got goal-specific plans like muscle gain, fat loss, and performance. So whether you're bulking, just leaning out, or somewhere in the middle, there's a lineup that fits your current phase. And if you are someone who likes to do your own prep but doesn't want to cook, they offer bulk proteins like chicken, steak, or even bison by the pound, which is a very efficient way to keep your meals dialed in without starting from scratch. Now, all the meals come fresh, not frozen, and they are made with clean, whole ingredients. There's no fillers, there's no weird oils, just simple food with serious macros. Basically, it's built for people who treat nutrition as an extension of their training. And for pricing, it starts at about $13 per meal with discounts if you order in higher volumes or sign up for a subscription. You also get free shipping on most plans, which makes it a little easier to stick with week after week. And if you do want to give any of these meal delivery services a try, then you can check out the links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you're not going to get if you went directly through their website. All right, so if your goal is still body recomposition, but you're also dealing with things like a slower metabolism, insulin resistance, or hormonal shifts, then BistroMD, it might be the better fit. So this one is different. It was actually developed by a doctor, and the whole focus is on what they call metabolism correction. So in other words, the meals aren't just about calories or macros. They're designed to help your body work better from the inside out. And that includes stabilizing blood sugar, supporting lean muscle, and managing hunger in a way that's actually sustainable. So they do have specific programs for men, women, diabetics, and even people going through menopause. So it's tailored for a wider range of needs, especially if traditional dieting hasn't really worked for you. Now, the setup is a bit more structured. Meals come flash frozen, which does help with shelf life and variety, and they're usually laid out as a full weekly plan. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner included. It's more of a system than a menu. And they also include optional snacks through something called Eats, which helps keep your energy steady between meals and support muscle maintenance during weight loss. So it's definitely the most clinically focused of the three and a solid option if you want extra structure or you need something that supports metabolic health as well as fat loss. So pricing now for BistroMD, it depends on how many meals you get per week, but the full 7-day program runs around $110 with the first time discount. So it's a bit more of a commitment, but you are getting a complete doctor designed plan built for real metabolic results. So look, to sum it all up, each one of these meal services brings something different to the table. Factor is perfect if you want convenience and high protein meals without the hassle. It's fresh, it's fast, and it's flexible enough to support a lean, consistent routine. Fuel meals is ideal if you are training hard and need serious fuel. Bigger portions, higher macros, and full control over your meals makes it a great fit for athletes and lifters. BistroMD is best for anyone who needs more structure or support without things like metabolism, hormones, or blood sugar. It's a more clinical approach, but very effective for long-term fat loss and muscle retention. No matter where you're starting from, these give you the tools to stay consistent, which is really the key to making body recomposition work. And that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the links below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.